Hey guys, today in this video, let's learn how to go ahead and edit a Facebook Reel after it has been posted. So if you guys would like to go ahead and edit a specific Facebook Reel that you have posted and you want to go ahead and edit some stuff out or add some more elements to it in this video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we actually need to do first in order for us to fix this problem is to go ahead and launch the Facebook application. Now, knowing that you have already posted a reel, well, as of the current update, I don't really want to be the bearer of bad news and give you some false information in this video. Of course, I want to speak true to my viewers and what the Facebook application also provides to its users. So the best thing that we could actually do in order for us to edit a Facebook Reel once more after you have posted it is to be aware that there is actually no edit button available for specific Facebook Reels. Now, the best thing that we could actually do in order for us to solve this problem is to go ahead and delete the specific Facebook Reel that you'd like to go ahead and edit. Now, you need to proceed with editing that reel over on your third-party applications like, let's say, CapCut or the Facebook Reel editing feature, and then go ahead and re-upload that reel once you have finished its editing process. You have removed some of those mistakes and added more features that you'd like to go ahead and add. Now, that is the only way that we could actually edit Facebook Reels after we have posted them. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.